guys, and welcome back to my Joe reading your comments. And welcome back. And we're gonna let's see what's the comment is. Okay, this is the comment. First comment. Draw a potato with a banana. Okay, that's not easy what I thought it would be. This is the potato, and this is his mouth, and this is his eyes. And oh no, that was a bad idea. Okay, let's draw a bird. What? Let's draw a big circle. And this is the eye. This is the and this is the potato holding a banana. Oh no, that's very ugly. Let's reset punk.
Sige na, palakihin mo yung nose, kuya.
And this is the potato. This is his eyes. And this is his mouth. And this is his tongue. And this is the banana. Oh my god, that's perfect. Oh, the feet is so let's do it with jello. Very cool indeed. And that is we're gonna call her the that's please. Oh no, that's Hagrid in Harry Potter. This is Hagrid. This is not a potato. This is not my favorite one so far. Oh man, that's terrible. That's so terrible. So terrible.
Please, magpe-picture ako. Nakakatawa, kuya. Kuya, nakakatawa yun, kuya. Kuya, please.
is pretty upset because it's a mango. And how is it? This is not the. That's okay, guys.
Okay. Next comment from I don't know. Okay. Draw Dante there with a blue. I mean pink hair. Dante there with a pink hair.
That's mean. That's mean. What a very mean. This is the hair, and let's fill out with that. No, that's not. There we go.
Ang plaster.
Nabili nga kahit na ulan. Paano naman kayo mag-aral maigi? Inabot na ng ulan ng daddy nyo.
No, that's not the verb.
Mawala naman tayo kasama. Mama?
Oh God.
Wait.
Kasi daddy, bili ng...
Dada?
Oo.
Nandito?
Kasama si John Jumedi, umuwi yun. Nasakit ang likod ko yan! Naman ito.
Hindi naman perfect. Hindi ako mag-sabi. What are we doing?
What a shame. That is. Are you done? No, no, that. Are we done? My God. God. Next comment. Okay, what is the next comment?
A banana airplane.
Oh no. A bit yellow, and the banana just like that. Let's fill it out. There we go. And
Nakasahulog ah. Nakasahulog. Ano ba? Paano mo wala cellphone? Paunahan kay mama, nandun ang cellphone. Chicken manok.
that's it. So thank you so much for watching this video. So if you did enjoy, please
The
give it a
next
big
comment.
fat thumbs up. I'm just joking. A big fat thumbs up. That video I greatly appreciate it. And also if this happened, this is the first video I see with me. And please don't be subscribed to join Team Gian. Team Gian Gaming ABC for daily reading your comments. And Papa, thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next one.
Thank you guys. Bye.
Bye!